Welcome friends. Today we'll learn use if not. It means remove unless. Before going to study if not, we have to know better about use if. If is a conjunction. It joins two small sentences. If is also a conditional clause. If not and unless. In this topic, we have to learn how to use if not at the place of unless. Let's start with how to use if. If is a conditional clause. In this sentence, the first sentence is condition and second sentence is result. In this sentence, we have to use simple present tense in the first and simple future tense in second. Simple present tense it shows that the condition and simple future tense will show the result. We see the one example. If they work well, they will get good money. In this sentence, they work well is a condition. They will get money. Working well is the condition, and if he works well, they will get money. Definitely, it is the result. We can understand that how to use the if in our construction in our daily life. We use if so many times in a different situation. We see another example. If you have mobile, you will call your friend. If she speaks in English, she will get a job. If you are free, you will come with me. In this way we can use if easily in our daily life. Other some constructions are here, like if is simple past tense. The first sentence, the second sentence will be subject would, first form of verb, it means root verb, complete the sentence. And in the first sentence of if there is past perfect tense, the second sentence will be subjects would have, third form of verb, past participle. In this way we can use if in our construction. Use if not and remove unless. For using, we have one formula. With the help of formula, we can write the answer. The formula is remove unless, at that place write if. Then take the subjects of the first sentence of condition. Then you find out the helping verb. After helping verb, we should use not. Complete the first sentence and then write the second sentence as it is. Don't change in it. We can see some examples. Unless the weather is good, my family will not go to picnic. In this sentence, the sentence begin with unless and helping verb is. At the place of unless, we can use if, and after helping verb we can use not. The answer is if the weather is not good, my family will not go to picnic. The second sentence, unless you have good knowledge, you will not do anything well. Answer, if you have not good knowledge, you will not do anything well. Unless Ramesh has a notebook, he will not write a poem. Answer, if Ramesh has not a notebook, he will not write a poem. In short, we can say that at the place of unless, we write if, and after helping verb, we should write not. In this way, we learn how to use if not at the place of unless. Suppose there is no helping verb in the first sentence of unless. So how to use the if not? There is one formula. With the help of this formula, we write the correct answer. Remove the unless, at that place write if. Then write subjects. Then take the help of do, does, did. Then write not and complete. Write first form of verb. Complete the first sentence. Write the second sentence as it is. With the help of do, does, did, we write the answer. Here we take the help of do, does, did. How to use do, does, did? Here is one chart. With the help of first form of verb, we can write do if in the first sentence of condition. Verbs yes or first yes, we can write does. And if the second form of the verb in the first sentence, we can write did. With the help of do, does, did, we write only one of them and then write not and write first form of verb. With the help of this formula, we write the correct answer. We see the one example. Unless you study hard, you will not get good marks. If you do not study hard, you will not get good marks. In this sentence, we write if at the place of unless. And after subject you, we write do not. Why we use here do not? Because there is not any helping verb. So we write here do not and then write first form of verb. The sentence joins with a comma of the two sentence. And the second sentence we write as it is without any changes. We see another example. Unless Supriya hurries, she will miss the bus. In the first sentence of condition, hurries is the verb. So we change its answer. If Supriya does not hurry, here we write does not because of the hurries. So after does not, we write here only the first form of hurry and write the second sentence as it is. Third sentence, unless Virat win the match, he will not get the prize. Answer, if Virat does not win the match, he will not get the prize. In this way, we studied if not in the sentence of unless how to use. Here we can use easily. You will not leave this place unless you pay the bill. In this sentence, unless at the place of the middle. Here, don't worry. You can use also if not. In the at the place of unless you should write if, and after use of if you can write not after the helping verb. If there is not helping verb, we can take help of do not, does not, and did not. We studied it before. Now its answer will be you will not leave this place if you do not pay the bill. We write here if at the place of unless, and you take the help of do not because of form of verb, and there is also no any helping verb. We see the second example. Unless you read a poem, you will not understand its meaning. Its answer, if you do not read a poem, you will not understand its meaning. Third sentence, she will not get a job here unless she speaks in English. In this sentence also, unless at the middle of the sentence, you remove unless at that place, right? And after she, we can write does because of the form of verb speaks. Its suffix is yes. So we write here does. And after does, we can write not and we take the first form of verb speak. Its answer, she will not get a job here if she does not speak in English fluently. We write the answer here if not easily. Easily we study here how to use if not and how to remove unless from the sentence. Here we studied very well. Here are some different examples. We take the screenshot of this video of these slides and you solve the example easily. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.